talk about how can you fix this problem on your Imo app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, so you just looking here for Imo app, or click here on search, then here add Imo. So you click here on Imo, then it's going to take you to this list here, then you click here on full stop, click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, come to storage list, click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, and here search for Imo. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.